Gigas, let me tell you this, man. You see, Bounty Killer one of the only DJ we stay true to the art form, in moniker, and in personal character and image from day one. The man not change. You get what I say? Man, but the man is an accomplished, the man is dancer, as we know it, right, you know. You understand? You are a part of the package there. You are like one of the patron in a Bounty dance. You don't do that, man. But if you do that, I'm tell you something, Bounty are one of the only youth who can make every ghetto in a Kingston ride, you know, including mine. You see, Bounty are one of the only DJ who could have make Warwickshire ride. Go anywhere, go do anything. Remember me tell you that, no, man. I want to you dirty boy. You can't do that to them man there. I mean, I said that out of favor, with no favor, rare. I never shake Bounty and them stand up over there, so I'm over here. So, but the way I did my place card, the way my thing did stay, me never running at people. You know, see it? Straight. And I see him with a Bounty stay too. You know, see it? So, when all of you, like you know, coming at the system and I deal with the artist like you want to discredit the artist's character, it goes beyond reasonable rationality. You get what I say? Because at the end of the day, the whole of we have to stay true to ourselves. And if you have to stay true to yourself, you have to appreciate everybody and be reasonable to everybody around you and be honest. You get what I say? Yeah, and you have to give Caesar what Caesar due. You know, see, that's why most of the youth them are dead off so quick. Because when not set a standard whereby the youth them should show respect for them adversities and adversaries, or let's say enemies. You have to observe people's characteristics, them ability, and pay homage to the best of them. Because nobody, you get what I say? You get my point. You know, see it? Mm-hmm. So for further burn you now to ashes, you are the man who you can do double play for politician, and by doing so, in justifying your actions, yeah, you are burn out. You are try burn out or discredit Bounty Killer. It's like there is no end to your fallacy. You know a man will lean up on him folly, and you that. Rather than you just keep quiet and know, say you make your money off and you do your thing and yeah. You know, see it. You see it as we are justifying, you know, say dirty people them where I use clerks to impress poor people. The same poor people them will put you where you're there. Yeah. The politician them feel like say a clerks and them will come vote for you. And you not observe that one side. And say John was so them starve my people them for hungry. That's a boy I feel like saying can just use a clerks and get them for vote. And you go sing for them people, eh? And I give them, you give life to the death and the destruction of your own people. And the same people that will put you away there dirty boy. Enough of them for lucky, so I'm not there Jamaica, you know, I'm not telling them no lie. It's more time I talk all them things and more time it get emotional way. But you say all, you know, and the wickedest thing about it is that Mr. Bounty Killer was the only DJ who could have make Warwickshire ride every man. And he never used that against no DJ yet. Or nobody. Nobody whatsoever. You know, see, first of the man got deal with police, man. The man now put no nugget of youth in trouble, man. I want you. You can't, you're a dirty boy, man. You want grave. You see all you like, oh no? You like only know some youth where definitely forget where I come from. You like only a people where hate where I come from. Despise all on the neighbor because they always feel like better than them and shouldn't be there. So they all hate God for making exist in a them circumstance there. You know see it? Cause now the way there you feel like so you did for there all along. You was cheated while you was struggling. You know see it? You know, see it. This is your inheritance. So, you know, respect the avenue will get you there. You know, see it. You forget, but all on the dancehall DJ we see how politicians do to dancehall. Nobody can go go enjoy themselves again for more than 2 hours. You see man come lock it off. must negotiate with them and tell them say, well, after the election, yeah, them have to go free about the answer. So I want to do some dub for them and try to get them in a power. I must something like that on the look. You see, the whole of disgusting man and a traitor for the people, man, and come like when I was placed there to disrupt the culture, to disrupt the effect of dancehall, the music, art, to complete. You get what I say? Yeah. You lot, all I know was placed in a dancehall as agent for detour the music from its aim, you see, from its true path. You get what I say? Vegas, we are one of the, you see, you know, see it. Yeah, me Dave now mention you and Bounty again, you know, because you know see it. Me Dave now mention that again. You know see it. But you see, think to phone yourself, say, get up people. The value where the politician them get up people, yeah, that them deserve it true. You know, see, come like some black people will accept the inequality and say, yeah, you know, say we're not equal, we deserve to be treated a certain way. You get what I say? You have them type of black people that will make the struggle 10 times harder because the supremacists them use them people as vice and soundbite to justify them claim and them agenda. You understand what I say? You know, see, if you're looking at yourself and back up and know, say, boy, you know, so I make a money or I just use a food meal, you want to put it in your pocket and do what you want, do with you. You know, see, Bounty Killer live for ghetto people and I deal with ghetto people, wherever any representation we make towards or about ghetto people, it's always been true. You get what I say? You have to just allow that. Oh dear, you come and try to answer man carry about the man a batty man or try to make a man look like so the man a work with some devil business and thing like that. Me say, you see, morality only applies when uno are the beneficiary, you know. You know, see it. Me say you know, see it. Me say politician, we know how to think of us long time. You know, see it. The most hurtful part of our agenda is when we say, oh, I get a represent them. Becomes a tool in our game. You know, see it. So it's like, say, we're not a sword against Uno. You know, see it. Uno control. You get me? So may I say that now, in effect, for our representative them, our dancer, our DJ them know. So watch out, we know so we don't sell out, you know. And we don't feel we don't know more when we dance music because any string knock music hits you feel no pain. Anybody will move, but you see the moral value, we wanna did bear, we not have that again. So nobody. Me know that. Furthermore, we don't even know the moral value we did have. We don't even know the moral basis or boundary we did. You know me I say, know, worse than the politician them where I've ghetto people in them because most politicians and ghetto people put them with them there, you know. But every entertainer ghetto people put them with them there. You know see it? Every entertainer I ghetto people put them with them. So it's when all of them come out and go and say, I'm glad all the women from the east not even come, you know see it. I hope she not get draw out in on a nastiness night there, you know, cause yeah, serious burning for them thing there, you know. You know see it? Oh, I'm too no. You give that thing when I accept them thing there. And then a guy come try to justify himself, try to burn on general, big 5-star general. We can park in any garrison by himself and come out and burn him spliff and drink him Guinness or whatever he might drink and just reason with get a youth and gone again boy in business and no man no, and I like so well then it's a stranger that no man can think for start or bad up nothing. You have to do that. I want to someone to understand yourself to man. I say I actually there and you don't know, you know, see it. Yeah man. You see it. Careful what I do, man. You know, water walk one time, it will walk there again, you know. Remember that. Always remember that, man. You see it. More blessed, man. You see it. Share, like, and subscribe. Ain't done no. But the thing do. Got the children them for no. Rastafari.